Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make tteokbokki, the spicy Korean rice cakes. It's a pretty simple recipe. You're just going to boil some anchovy stock, let it simmer, soak the rice cakes for a few minutes, get the sauce going, add the sauce with the cakes to the stock, and then let it simmer to thicken or just add a little bit more sugar and top it with whatever you like, including cheese. Here are the ingredients laid out for you. You got your soy sauce, your anchovy stock, your rice cakes, all that. This is me letting the anchovy stock simmer. Those are the rice cakes soaking. You add it to the stock for a little bit to finish the cooking process. And then you drain it. Wow! And these are the ingredients for the sauce. This is everything together. Go ahead and add a little bit of gochujang at the end. I forgot to put that in the recipe. And that's it, finished up and plated. Thank you everybody. It's a really easy recipe, but it's a fan favorite of people who like Korean food, so I figured I'd share my take on it. Let me know if you want me to show you my take on carbonara tteokbokki as well. Alright, thank you, like and subscribe, and bye bye.